Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel Positive Vibrations. In this video, we will do a beautiful painting. Painting can change life. Painting is a great way to release inner thoughts. Painting is just another way of keeping a diary. Art is intended to appeal and connect with human emotion. Artists may express something so that their audience is stimulated in some way, creating feelings, religious faith, curiosity, interest, identification with a group, memories, thoughts, or creativity. And yeah, ta-da, it's ready. I hope you enjoy this beautiful video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.